Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Sex Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you a quick tip to make sure your headset sound is working on your PlayStation 4. So to do this, let's go on over to settings and select this. Then go on down to devices right here and go to audio device. And make sure the input device and your output device are selected to the headset or the audio device that you're trying to use. So if I go on over to input device, I can see my headset connected to my controller is selected. I'm not getting any audio to my headset. I can see on here, output device is selected to my TV and amplifier. So it's not even selected to my headset. If I select this, I have the option to have my headset connected to my controller selected. Now I can hear the audio coming through my headset. Then we can go to adjust microphone level and just make sure this is in the good section. If it's too low, people won't hear you, or if it's too loud, there might be a lot of buzzing or static in your headset. Then we can go to volume control for the headphones and make sure this slider is turned up enough. If it's all the way to the left, it's going to look like this, and there will be no white signals on here. Just make sure it's turned up so you actually have sound in your headset. And then go to this option right here. It says output to headphones. We have all audio. This will include the voice chat and the game sound. So make sure this is selected, otherwise you're only going to get the voice chat in your headset and the game sound will be playing through your TV. Then in the future, you might want to have this option selected. It says switch output device automatically. If you turn off this setting, the PS4 will not automatically switch the audio output device to a new one, such as a headset you connected. So I'm going to make sure this is checkmark and then back out. Now I'm going to go down to sound and screen. Then go to audio output settings right here, and we can try doing a different primary output port. I have HDMI selected, but you might be running a digital out optical cable. So just make sure you have the right one selected. Then we could try a different audio format priority. It says linear PCM. This is the one that usually works for most people if you switch it to, but you could try Bitstream Dolby or Bitstream DTS. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Sex Tech.